Career opportunities. After a certificate in airport management, roles, skills, career progression, and employer. A certificate in airport management provides foundational knowledge and skills to enter the aviation and airport operations industry. While it may not qualify you for senior-level roles, it opens the door to various entry-level and mid-level positions. Here are some career opportunities you can explore. Roles. Number 1. Airport Operations Assistant. A. Support daily airport operations under the supervision of senior staff. B. Monitor passenger flow and assist with flight scheduling. C. Ensure compliance with safety and operational protocols. Number 2. Customer Service Representative. A. Assist passengers with check-ins, boarding, and queries. B. Handle lost luggage complaints and other service issues. C. Ensure a smooth customer experience at the terminal. Number 3. Ground Handling Staff. A. Manage baggage handling, aircraft cleaning, and fueling. B. Coordinate ground logistics to ensure timely flight operations. C. Work closely with airline and airport teams. Number 4. Security Screener. A. Perform security checks on passengers and their belongings. B. Monitor and operate screening equipment. C. Ensure compliance with airport security regulations. Number 5. Airport Administrative Assistant. A. Provide administrative support to airport managers. B. Maintain records, schedules, and operational reports. C. Communicate with vendors, airlines, and regulatory bodies. Number 6. Air Cargo Assistant. A. Handle the logistics of cargo and freight operations. B. Manage the loading and unloading of shipments. C. Ensure documentation and compliance with shipping regulations. Number 7. Passenger Services Agent. A. Assist passengers with boarding passes, seating arrangements, and special needs. B. Handle flight status updates and boarding announcements. C. Coordinate with airlines for smooth passenger handling. Number 8. Ramp Agent. A. Support aircraft ground operations, including parking and refueling. B. Guide aircraft to and from the gate area. C. Load and unload luggage and cargo. Skills beneficial for these roles. Number 1. Strong communication and customer service skills. Number 2. Basic knowledge of aviation regulations and operations. Number 3. Ability to work in a fast-paced environment. Number 4. Problem-solving and multitasking abilities. Number 5. Proficiency in using computer systems and airport management software. Career progression. With experience and additional certifications, you can advance to roles such as, Number 1. Airport Duty Manager. Number 2. Airport Operations Manager. Number 3. Ground Services Manager. Number 4. Aviation Safety Officer. Employers. Number 1. Airports, regional, national, and international. Number 2. Airlines, domestic and international. Number 3. Ground handling companies. Number 4. Logistics and cargo companies. Number 5. Hospitality services at airports. For more information, call us on +91 8800 66 3006 or visit our website www.amecet.in.